Welcome to Learn Chinese with Abdul. This is vocabulary development section of HSK level 1 and we are at 15th class, that is day 15, which is the last day of our vocabulary preparation. Please let's have a look up till now what words we have added in our vocabulary. Just a quick review and then we will go to our today's vocabulary. Day 1. 我们你们他们这那 Day 2. 家爸爸妈妈哥哥弟弟姐姐妹妹男朋友女朋友 Day 3. 儿子女儿漂亮老公老婆老板老师认识 Day 4. 先生小姐医生医院学生学校学习同学人 Day 5. 大小小狗小猫很好不太好有没有爱 Day 6. 开来去读看听说吃饭睡觉 Day 7. 书电影电视电脑电话杯子桌子椅子东西 Day 8. 商店饭店书店水果店出租车打电话名字钱衣服 Day 9. 水果苹果米饭菜茶喜欢多少 Day 10. 天气热冷下雨上午中午下午分钟时候 Day 11. 天今天明天昨天现在年月号星期 Day 12. 写字工作住在前面后面上面下面里面 Day 13. 多少什么谁怎么样哪儿几岁几点吗 Day 14. 想 请坐，没关系，对不起，谢谢，不客气，你好，再见，明天见。So here we are at day 15, which is actually the last day of this section. The first vocabulary word is 飞机. 飞机 Feiqi means aeroplane. Well, the spells are not correct, I guess. Anyways, number 2. 汉语 Hanyu. Hanyu is Chinese language, the spoken Chinese language. Actually, that means the language of Hans. About 80% plus Chinese are Han. So Hanyu means a language which is spoken by Hans. Hanyu. Number 3. Jiao. Jiao means is called. 我叫阿卜杜拉. I 叫 is called. Abdullah is my name, Abdul. 我叫 Abdullah, I called Abdul. That means my name is Abdul. Number 4. 和 means and. It's a very useful vocabulary because when you want to connect two sentences, you need some connection words, and 和 is a very good connection word. 你和我 you and I. 你和我 you and me. Okay, number 5. 多 means both or all. 我们都是学生. 我们都是学生. We all are students. Number 6. 回 means to be back, to come back. 你什么时候回来? What time you will come back? 回来 to come back. Number 7. 能 means can. For example, 你能开车吗? 你能开车吗? Can you drive a car? 你能开车吗? Number 8. 快 This 快 is actually a mirroring word for small pieces, mostly used for cakes and products like that. So 快 means a product which is in pieces. Number 9. 歇 One 歇 we have already studied, that is with third tone. 写 means to write, but this 写 is first tone and it is a classifier for small amount. For example, we say 这些东西 这was for this, but when this 些 comes with 这 it becomes these. 这些东西 that means these things. 这个东西 that means this thing. 这些东西 that means these things. So 些 whenever you add 些 with some object, it becomes a classifier for small amount. So this is all from today's lecture. Let me repeat the words. 飞机 汉语 叫 和 多 回 能 快 些 Please do like and share this video with others. Thank you very much for watching this series. I will wait for your valued comments regarding my efforts. Like my channel and share it with others. Thank you very much. 再见。
Thanks for watching this video. If you like my efforts, please share this video with others. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon. See you soon. Goodbye.